we have with us 6 companies, and our first speaker today will be Martin Rugfelt. I hope he's here. I'm not sure.
I am.
Oh, great, super, good to see you. And you're all prepared to take it away?
I think I am.
Wonderful.
On my screen.
And get going. We're going to have to stick on time properly today because we're so many of us. So I see your screen. Wonderful.
Right.
Yeah, minute, Martin, take it away.
Thank you, Magnus. So my name is Martin Rugfelt. I'm the CEO and founder of Sentian.ai, and we are the industrial AI company. Now, as an industrial AI company, what we really do is we make AI products for the manufacturing industry. We have 2 products, and they're both based on our breakthrough in technology. Today, let's talk about manufacturing and a particular case too. So in manufacturing, I just want to check if you feel that you recognize these challenges, the problems, that you may have differences between shifts. So one shift has their settings, another one has their setting, third one has their setting, and so on. And there are performance differences too. And a lot of you have also noticed that there is differences, which is quite natural, between the more experienced operators and the less experienced operators. And there is the challenge when these experienced operators go into retirement or leave for a competitor and so on. So there's a lot of challenges when it comes to people. Now, there's a thing that is, wherever you are in manufacturing, you have control system. And these, when the people that are working with these machines, they have these machines that they work with. And these have something in common too, and that they're quite old, and they're definitely not very intelligent. So problem around this, differences between people and control systems that are old and challenging. So what does that mean? The effect is that you get potentially a lower yield, you get higher cost, you get problems with quality and scrap, and not the least, higher emissions too. So what we have done is we built Sentian Controller. It's a new product. It's based on a new form of AI. And with that, we can help you with knowledge transfer, capture that knowledge among your best employees and making it available to the machines. We can reduce fluctuations in the production, and we can reduce emissions also. And we're talking about quite big improvements, from 3 to 30%, so significant improvements. Tell you a little bit more about the cases later on. So what do we do? Well, we help our customers take their journey when it comes to this, from analysis and finding out what to do properly, then going to predictions, seeing AI as an helper, or going to prescriptive AI, where AI can more act as an advisor, all the way up to the autonomous level. So we have a product that can take you there, and that's also where the biggest benefits are. And this product is based on using the existing data that is available in production. So that's a little bit about that, and I wanted to go on and talk a little bit about a few different use cases, just to orient you about what you can do with this. And one of them, power plant optimization, challenging production with variability in this case, and already having an advanced process control system in place. And we're looking at an improvement of 4 to 5% in yield. Another case, in this case, a German company where they had high-tech manufacturing, and there was a variation in their production, and we helped them reduce this variation, and that led to quality improvement of about 20%. So 20% more of their sensors getting into their air quality with great impact on the business. Another one where you can apply these technologies is in discrete manufacturing. We have a production cells with robots in them. And in this case, we're talking about quality improvements and also improvements in efficiency of productions, shortening the time to set up a machine for the new product. Going on, you can use this in cement production, and this is a case for a rotary kiln optimization, where you can also reduce the emissions, as this is a very energy intense production. And not to stop there, some other case that we're working on currently in steel production, in mining, in chemicals. So it's a versatile technology based on improving these processes. What I'd like to say to everybody here, please book a meeting with us. We're happy to see you, and you can contact us here, unless there are some questions already now, which I can help you with.
Great, Martin. Thank you so much. You're really great on time. So we have time for a question or two if there are any. You can put questions on the chat if you like. Maybe, I know we have quite many investors today, so maybe you can talk a little bit about your financial status or...
Right. Yes, of course. So yes, we are a self-funded company. We've been around since 2016. We have built the team, we built the products, and we built the technology, and now we're actually fundraising. So in case you're interested, please do contact me as soon as you can.
I have a question here for you. Let me see. What is Sentian's USP? What makes your offer different?
So we have a technology that is scalable to be able to be applied in many different places. And we're using a very advanced form of artificial intelligence, it's reinforcement learning. And in that, we have chosen model-based reinforcement learning. And this is a technology that has many advantages. It can work with little data, it can work with explore a area in a very efficient way, and a range of different other benefits. And I would say that we're one of the few companies in the world that has been able to make a product out of this, targeting the industrial manufacturing side.
One more little short question. What is the size of your team? Maybe you mentioned that. But...
Yes, well, we're 13 people right now.
Perfect. Great. So thank you so much, Martin. And as you all know, everyone will get all the contact details afterwards to all the speakers and so forth. So no worries, it's going to be easy to follow up.